To get the very best cut out of your mower this year, we recommend you change your blade once a season. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to do this. Depending on the model you have, instructions may vary slightly, so it's best to always check your operator's manual for detailed instructions specific to your mower. The first step in changing a mower blade is maintenance prep. For safety reasons, make sure the spark plug and ignition wire are disconnected. Remove the fuel using a siphon pump so it does not leak when you tip your mower. You can store the fuel in an improved container marked UL until maintenance is complete. Then, tip the mower on its side so the air filter is facing up. Picking up from our last video where we cleaned the deck and applied a fresh coat of non-stick spray, it's now time to install a new blade. Wearing gloves for protection, secure the blade with the universal blade removal tool, or a block of wood. Loosen the blade retaining bolt and remove the blade. Replace the blade with a new one, making sure the blade center hole aligns with the blade adapter. Lock the blade with the universal blade removal tool. Using a torque wrench, tighten the retaining bolt to the proper torque according to your operator's manual. Tip the mower back onto its wheels and reattach the spark plug and ignition wire. Refill the fuel tank and you're ready for a clean cut. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful Cub Cadet equipment tips.